Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the damage and confirming materials. This avoids mismatched repairs. Remove loose flakes and degrease the surface so new paint adheres. Sand feathered edges with 120-150 grit until smooth. That creates a mechanical bond. Once done, wipe with a tack cloth and prime bare areas with appropriate primer. Use bonding primer for glossy or metal. Make sure to mask trim and nearby surfaces to prevent overspray or drips before moving to fill and repair. You need to rebuild the surface, not just cover it. Press a suitable filler into dents and gouges, then overfill slightly so you can sand back to a perfect flush. Once cured, sand progressively from 120 to 220, then 320 grit, blending the repair into surrounding paint so the edge disappears. Clean dust, then prime the whole repaired zone to seal filler and provide uniform absorption. This prevents flashing and ensures the top coat lays down evenly. Make sure edges are feathered for seamless. You finish by applying the matched top coat using thin, even passes. Thin coats avoid drips and provide better leveling. Spray or brush 2 to 3 coats, allowing the manufacturer's flash time between each. Wet film build matters more than one heavy coat. Once dry, inspect at different angles under good light. If you see runs, sand the area smooth and recoat. For orange peel, wet sand and polish or apply another thin coat. If color mismatch persists, adjust tint or reblend surrounding area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.